You are going to love the 2010 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.